Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming power. Make sure the earbuds in case have meaningful charge. Low battery can block pairing. Once done, open the case and leave the earbuds inside. If you prefer app controls later, install the Soundcore app now. Next, press and hold both touch sensors for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This forces the Liberty 4NC into Bluetooth pairing mode. You're initiating a direct connection rather than manual reset, which speeds things up. Now switch to your phone or computer and open Bluetooth settings. Keep the earbuds close by. Scan and select Liberty 4NC from the list. If you see multiple Soundcore entries, choose the one that matches local MAC or recently added. Once connected, allow any pairing confirmations or permissions. After pairing, launch the Soundcore app to check firmware and to enable features like ANC, transparency, and personalized EQ. This step ensures audio quality and stability, so make sure updates complete before testing sound. Finish by testing playback, microphone calls, ANC, and touch gestures so you confirm everything works together. If the earbuds fail to appear or audio drops, perform a reset. Place earbuds in the case, then press and hold both sensors for about 10 seconds until you see red and white flashes. This clears cached pairings. Once reset, reinitiate pairing as before. If problems persist, make sure your device's Bluetooth is up to date and the Soundcore app has required permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.